WeatherTech's AlloyCover is a lightweight, low-profile, water-resistant, foldable bed cover that maximizes protection from harsh weather conditions without compromising style, strength, and aerodynamic qualities. While sitting less than a half an inch above the truck bed, the low-profile design with the black matte finish provides a sleek, consistent look. Flexible rubber seals and vinyl-coated hinges reduce metal-on-metal contact to lessen unwanted vibrations and noises, allowing for a nice quiet ride in front. Extruded aluminum rails support the bed panels to hold up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight while weighing only 50 pounds. The water-shedding design helps route water without gutters or drains. The easy-to-use tri-fold design makes for increased security and effortless installation and removal. To install, simply use the included tight bite clamps to secure the rails on both sides, and install the bed cover from front to back. To open, simply pull down on the release while lifting the rear panel, fold up the panels toward the cab, then secure with the storage clips. For those times when you need every inch of your truck bed, the WeatherTech AlloyCover is easy to remove and reinstall.